Wow, you guys got it made.
Yep.
We're here on Ashland and Mark's, and we're gonna go eat at Thai Phuket 2. Happy Mother's Day. We are inside and our food is slowly coming. Let's look.
Excited for the
My
boat.
Thai boat. We are celebrating Mother's Day early. Wait, Mulan. Lên kho. Hi. Let's go swing and look at people's food. This one Mom got. She got a drink. Oh, what'd you get?
I got
House food. Let's go over here. Để check cái tài lạ.
Cá cơ mà nó là nó nói gì mà được để chê tốn nó là kiện
She
đâu.
said today's Mother's Day, she gets to eat lot. And this is what she wants. Okay.
Cá cơ.
I'm happy you enjoying it, Mom. Let's see what you got, Princey. What, chop an egg? What about you?
Mine's not here yet.
Not here yet? Okay. What do you guys eating? Katniss and C? Look like egg rolls. Egg rolls? Man, let's say you guys got it made over here. You guys know what to order. Wow. You guys got it made.
Yep.
Curry and papaya. Looks like more la and drunken noodles.
Yep.
It's Thai Phuket number 2. Okay, look at me. What you got?
Round sausage.
Alright, move your hand. Let me see. Ah, there it is. Okay. And sticky rice. It's pork here. Call. Say hi. We're all attacking animals.
I waited this long.
Annabelle got her.
You're not versus green curry. Like seafood.
Yeah, a lot of variety here. Here's papaya salad. Got a piece of it. Let's try it. Mmm. Mark Wayne say it's good. This is the dumb boat. Let's look over here, and my wife is getting into it. These mothers here. I did pretty well. What about you, Pawa? How's your bowl? Mom. They did good here again.
Ate everything.
You eat everything all that.
The multiple choice.
Hi. So focus on this stuff.